Namaste students, myself Dr. Suresh Jakad, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Bhuban University. Today I will be discussed about vegetative propagation technique of common bamboo, Eucalyptus, Casuarina and teak. I am to study about vegetation propagation technique of common bamboo, Eucalyptus, Casuarina and teak. Objective to generate clonal material of commercial forest species like common bamboo, Eucalyptus, Casuarina, and teak. Procedure: vegetative propagation technique is common bamboo, Bamboo vulgaris. Now, as common bamboo is a commercial bamboo and propagation by vegetative method because it does not produce seed. It can be propagated vegetative by clump cutting, clump branch cutting, offset rhizome and micro propagation method. For commercial propagation, plant propagation by clump are generally used and procedure of its propagation by clump cutting method is described here. 1 to 2 year old clump are selected from good mother clump. Those are extracted from the clump in the 1 month of March, leaving basal 2 monods. After removal from the mother clump, top 1/3 portion of clump which is thin is discarded. The branches are pruned, leave 2-inch basal portion. The clump is divided into cutting of 1 nodes. 2 nodes are used for easy handling. In case of 2 nodes and higher noded cutting, the clump cavity is opened at the center of internode in such the way that the clump branches would be horizontal to the ground. The cuttings are soaked in the water for 24 hours. Then the cuttings are placed in nursery bed which are earlier. The width of bed is 1 meter and depth is 15 centimeter. 1 to 2 inch layer of ground FIM is applied in the bed and mixed with soil for better growth of the cutting. The clump cavity through the opening hole. In case the cutting having more than 1 nodes, the cutting are converted with 1 to 2 inch layer of the soil. Second point is vegetative propagation technique, Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus can be propagated vegetatively by Copic shoot cutting, epicornic shoot and semi-hardwood cutting. Propagation by coping shoot cutting. This is best juvenile material for mass propagation of Eucalyptus hybrid by cutting to obtain copic shoot. The trees should be copic about 15 centimeter above ground level. The 1 month of February to March, the cutting portion should be given antifungal treatment, 1 gram red lead and 1 gram copper carbonate in 1 liter of seed oil. The copic should may be harvested after 6 to 8 weeks, about 45 days. The copic should are collected in early hours of morning and made into binodal leaf cutting. The leaves are terminated to half of the original size and treatment with the talc preparation of 5000 ppm of IBA before treating. With this chemical base, the cutting may be treated with 0.1% Bavastin and any other suitable fungicide to prevent fungal attack. Treated cutting are planted in plastic tray and root train filled with sterilized vermiculite or perlite or coarse sand. The maintain under high humidity 80% relative humidity in moist chamber. and about 30 degrees centigrade temperature. The rooted cutting the transfer from plastic tray and the polythene bag filled with the soil and sand in proportional 1:1 ratio. The plant grow in root trainer may not be required to transfer the another container. These are retained in mist chamber for another week and sequentially shifted for hardening. The rooted cutting are the 100 under partial shade or tree the manipulated container and conditions under shade net house. Essentially, these remain under frequent misting, but the frequency of misting is slowly reduced to nil over the period of 6 weeks. And the third propagation is the Casuarina, vegetative propagation technique of Casuarina. Vegetative propagation through the cladoid cutting is suitable method for the propagation of Casuarina vegetative. Cladoid of 5 to 7 centimeter length are found to be suitable for vegetative propagation of Casuarina. The cladoid are treated with 0.01% hydrochloric acid for 30 seconds to avoid fungal attack, and different rooting hormones are applied at the cut and the cladoid. After treating with hormones 2000 ppm IBA for 5 minutes, cladoids are transferred to pre-soaked vermin culture to kept in mist and mistless system for 48 hours. After rooting, the rooted cutting of transferred to a mixture of sand, red soil and FIM. Ratio is 2 each one for hardening. After 15 days, the hardened propagule are transferred to the field. Next point is vegetative propagation technique of teak. Propagation of the teak by vegetative means can be done by hardwood and semi-hardwood cutting. Cuttings should be taken in the month of April-May. So, propagation by hardwood cutting, as upper portion of the tree fell the roots. Usually cutting are collected during morning. Cutting of 15 to 20 centimeter long and 1 to 2 centimeter diameter are generally used for propagation of teak. Second point is propagation by semi-hardwood cutting. Cutting is the apicornic shoots and copic shoots can also be used for vegetative propagation of teak. The cutting should be collected from branches which have long internodes. Rainy season in the suitable season to collected cutting. Uh, these are treated with either IBA or NAA 100 ppm for 24 hours by basal dip method. These are planted in nursery bed under about 60% shade and watered regularly. The cutting will streak root within 4 to 6 weeks. This cutting root easily than hardwood cutting. Thank you.